Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 3, today I am going to take your English language class. Now today's topic is lesson 2, and today we will do exercise 1 and 2 from lesson 2. That means today we will know about the singular and plural. That means how you will change the noun forms. That means singular to plural. So let's start our class. Now look at this board. So this is your lecture number 4 and HW number 4. And at the end of the class, you will be given homework. Okay. So today we will do lesson 2, exercise number 1 and exercise number 2. So let's start our class. And all of you can take your Enjoying Grammar book, and now look, your book is very colorful and my one is a photocopied one, so all of you can take your book. Today we will do exercise 1 and exercise 2. Okay. So at first we will know about some rules. Now look, singular and plural nouns. And there is a poem for you. You read this poem and there is the picture in your book. Now look, cats purr, lions roar, flies hum, wolves howl, horses neigh, bees buzz, mice squeak, sheep bay, but I speak. Now look at this word: cats, lions, flies, wolves, horses, bees, mice, sheep. Those are the plural form of the noun. Now look, we usually add s or es to a singular noun to make it plural. So we usually add s or es. Okay, s or es to make it plural. Now look, cat, cats, potato, potatoes. Here we add es, box, boxes. And if the word ends in x, sh, or what, double s or x, you will add es to make it plural. And now look, cat, cats, potato, potatoes, box, boxes. Usually we add s, but sometimes we use es to make it plural. Some plurals are formed by adding ies or ves to singular nouns. Now look at the word fly. Fly, flies. And if the word ends in y, you will drop y. Okay, you will drop y and you will write, you will add ies to make it plural. Okay, now look, fly, you will drop y if you want to make it plural. fl, now you will write I instead of y and then es, fly, flies. Okay, and ves, that means if the word ends with f or fe. Okay, if the word ends with f or fe, now look, wolf, wolf, so you will drop f, so it will be wolves, then you will add ves. Okay, and if the word ends with fe, just like the same one, you will drop f and e, and then you will add ves, knives. Okay, so wolf, wolves, knife, knives. Now look, some plurals can formed by adding ies or ves to singular nouns. So fly, flies, wolf, wolves. Next one, the plurals can be formed by changing vowels in the singular nouns. So you can also make plural nouns by changing the vowel. Now look, man, the plural form is, man is singular, but the plural form is what? Men. That means this vowel is changed here. Then foot, foot will be feet, so these vowels change here. Foot, feet, man, men, foot, feet. Just like it, like tooth, teeth. Okay, tooth will be what? Teeth. Like this one, tooth will be what? Teeth. Okay, we will change the vowel. And we can also add en or ren to singular noun. Sometimes we add en or ren to make the noun, I mean singular noun, plural. Now look, ox, oxen, child, children. Ox, oxen, child, children. Right? And some nouns have the same form of singular and plural. Now look at these words like sheep, sheep, deer, deer. So both are them, I mean both of them are same. Now look, there's no change. That means the singular form and the plural form are same. The some plural nouns are completely different from the singular nouns. The some plural nouns are completely different from the plural nouns. And what are they now? Look, mouse, mice. Just like it, we can also write here mouse, mice. So we can also write L-O-U, louse. It can be what? Lice. Now look, completely different words. Mouse, mice. Right? There are two different words. This one is singular and this one is plural. Now we will go to next page. That means some nouns have only plural forms. They are never used as singular nouns. Now look, those nouns have only plural forms. You can never use them as a singular noun, like clothes, scissors, stairs. Clothes, scissors, stairs. So remember this one. Those are the plural nouns. Always plural. Okay? Clothes, scissors and stairs. Now we will go to exercise number 1. Write the plural forms of these nouns. Write the plural forms of these nouns. Now you will write the plural forms. Now look, first one has been done here. Sorry. Number 1, butterfly. And the butterfly ends in Y. Right? So we will drop Y and we will write, add IES. So it will be butterflies. Just like the previous one. Now look, this word puppy ends in Y. So what will we do here? We will drop Y and we will write here IES to make it plural. So it will be puppies. Then number 3, loaf, L-O-A-F, loaf. The word ends in F. Okay? So it will be what? Yes, you are correct. We will add here VES to make it plural. So it will be loaves. Now number 4, mango. And we all know that just like the potatoes, we will add here ES. That means the word ends in what? O here. That's why we will add ES. G-O-E-S. Now number 5, thief. Number thief is similar to number F. Now look, T-H-I-E-F. The word ends in F. So we will drop F and we will add here V-E-S. So it will be T-H-I-E then V-E-S. Now number 6, church. C-H-U-R-C-H. I have told you if the words, now look, if the words end in CH or SH or double S or X, you will add ES to make them plural. Okay? So now the word here, number 6, church, C-H-U-R-C-H, church. So it ends with what? CH. So we will add here ES to make it plural. It will be churches. Now number 7. 7 is similar with number 1 and 2. Fairy ends with Y. So we will drop Y and then we will add IES. Fairy, fairies. And number 8 is party, just like the previous one. Number 7, it will be parties. We will drop Y and we will add here IES. Now number 9, shelf. It ends in F. Now look, we will add here VES. H-E-L, H-E-L, there will not be F, V-E-S, shelves. Okay, let me write it again. S-H-E-L-V-E-S, shelves. Okay. Now number 10, roof. There's an exceptional. It ends in F. But now look, there's a double O. That means if you find the vowel, the same vowel in the word, you will add here s to make it plural. So roof will be roofs. Okay, you will add s. This one is exceptional. Remember this one. Now number 11, lady. So we will drop y. So it will be what? IES. We will add IES and it will be ladies. Then number 12, knife. KNIFE. So we will drop FE and our answer will be KNIVES. Knives, right? So let's read. Butterfly, butterflies. Puppy, puppies. Loaf, loaves. Mango, mangoes. Thief, thieves. Church, churches. Fairy, fairies. Party, parties. Shelf, shelves. Roof, roofs. Lady, ladies. Knife and knives. Okay, now we will go to exercise number 2. Oh, and dear students, exercise number 1 will be your homework. Okay, exercise number 1 will be your homework. Remember this one. Now we will go to exercise number 2. To write the plurals of these nouns in the correct columns. Now look at these words. There is a box and inside the box there are the nouns. Okay, and we will make it plural and then we will write them in the correct column. And now look, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 column. And the first one, that means if you make the singular noun plurals by adding s, you will write here. Okay, and then es, then ies, then ves, then changing vowel, then no change, and then en or ren. So now look, the first one has done. Now look, shirt. We will add s to make it plural, so it will be shirts. Then next one, it is what? Wife. Now look at this word wife, W-I-F-E, wife. There are F-E, right? So we will drop F-E and it will be W-I-F-E, wives. And now look, which column? We will add V-E-S to make it plural, so it will be V-E-S. So it will be here, W-I-V-E-S, okay? W-I-V-E-S, wives. Now women. Now woman. Now look, W-O-M-A-N. And the plural form of woman is women, okay? We need to change the verb. So it will be, changing vowel. So it will be W-O-M-E-N, okay? Women. Now the next word, fish, it ends in SH, and if the word ends in SH, we will add ES to make it plural. So it will be what? Fish will be in the second column. It will be fishes, right? We will add here ES to make it plural. Now we will go to the next one, next row, that means pony, P-O-N-Y, P-O-N-Y. So now look, it ends in Y, so you will drop Y to make it plural. And now look, it is written here, and then you will add IES, right? So P-O-N-I-E-S is already written here in your book also. Now the next word, ox. Now look, ox, and we all know that we need to add here en to make it plural, so it will be the last column, that means oxen, O-X-E-N, oxen. Now the next word, fox, and it ends in X, right? You will find X, so you will add here es to make it plural, so fox will be foxes. Yes. Now story, again it ends in Y, so it will be in this row, right, in the third row. That means we will drop Y and we will add IES, like S-T-O-R-I-E-S, story. Now sheep, and we know that the singular and plural form of this word is same, that means there's no change, so sheep will be sheep, so no change. Okay, in the sixth row, column 1 2 3 4 5 6, yes, sixth column, so there will be sheep. Now next one, place, P-L-A-C-E. And now look, if you find E at the end of the noun, you will just add S to make it plural, so it will be here in the first column, it will be places. Okay, then child, and we all know that the plural form of the child is children, so it will be in the last column, child will be children, C children. And now the next one, calf, calf. Now that means the word ends in f, so we will drop f and we will add ves, that means it is in the fourth column, so it will be calves. Okay. Now next word, donkey, donkey. So we will now look this, there's an exception. The word ends in y, but before y there is the what, vowels, so you will just add s to make it plural, so it will be here, donkeys. Next one, radio, it ends in o, but this one is also exceptional, that means before o there is the another vowel, right, I, so we will add here, you will add here only s to make it plural, so it will be radios, radios. Okay. Now branch, branch. Now look at here, the word ends in ch, and you know that if the word ends in ch we will add es to make it plural, so it will go to the second row, branches, branches. Now fisherman, that means fisherman. Now look, you need to change the vowel of the man, so it will be in this row, changing vowel, fisher, fisher, men, we will change the vowel of a. Now next one, next column, dish, it ends in sh, so it will be in the second column, that means we will add es to make it plural, so it will be dishes, dishes, dishes. Now deer, that means the singular and the plural form, both are same, so it will be in this column, no change, so it will be here, deer. Okay. Then next one, thief, that means the word ends in f, so we will add ves, so it will be in this column, in the fourth column, thieves, thieves. Then tomatoes, just like potatoes, we will add es to make it plural, tomatoes. Now look, it ends in o, so it will be in this column, tomatoes, tomatoes. Now the last row, that means baby, it ends in y, so we will drop y and we will add is, so it is in the third column, bies, right? I know all of you know the plural form of those words. Then tooth, that means you need to change the vowel, right? So it will be in this column, changing vowel, tooth will be teeth. Now man, that means you need to change the vowel again, so it will be men, so it will be here, changing vowel, men. And then berry, that means you need to drop y and you need to add ies, so it will be here, berries. Okay, so let's read in the first column. If you want to make those words plurals, you need to add s, shirts, places, donkeys, radios, and then you need to add es to make those words plural, like fishes, foxes, branches, dishes, and tomatoes. Then you will add is to make those words plural, ponies, stories, babies, berries, and you will add ves to those words to make them plural, wives, calves, thieves, and changing vowel, women, fishermen, teeth, men. And then the column, no change, that means the singular and the plural form are same, sheep, deer, and then you need to add en or ren to make them plural, like oxen or children. Okay, in oxen you will add en, and in children you will add ren. Okay, so dear students, we have done lesson 1 and lesson 2, exercise 1 and exercise 2 from lesson 2. Okay, and your homework 4 will be exercise 1 from lesson 2. Exercise 1 from lesson 2, that means you will do your homework number 4. Okay, so remember this one. So dear students, we have done exercise 1 and exercise 2 from lesson 2. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will go through this lesson again and you will do your homework. Exercise 1 is your homework and you will submit your homework in every Saturday in the school library. So dear students, see you again. Allah Hafiz.